everyone in our YouTube channel Elexys Technologies, and today we will see a new project. The title name is Schematic trigger using the operational amplifier. So you can see the project. Okay, so let's see each and every component, so one by one. Okay, you can see this is the power input jack. Okay, 5-volt power input jack to provide power to run the system. Okay, and next is a main switch here to turn on and off the entire project. Okay, and here's the LED indicator to display either the power adapter is on or not. Okay, and here's the most important part is our LM358 operational amplifier. Okay, and it has two inbuilt operational amplifiers. Okay, for the operation of Schmit trigger. Okay, these are the two LEDs to display either the output is high or low. Okay, this LED is glowing, it means output is high, and if this is glowing, it means output is low. Okay, and there are two most important knobs. Okay, this one is a knob which provides the voltage. Okay, this knob varies the voltage when we rotate it, so the variable voltage applied to the IC. Okay, for the testing purpose. Okay, and this knob is most important. Okay, this is responsible to adjust the error inside the schematic trigger. Okay, because schematic trigger is dedicated to adjust the error in the system. Okay, to increase the tolerance of the system. So now let's turn on the system, and we will see its operation. Okay, so you can see currently it is off. Okay, let's provide the power to the system. Okay, so adapter is on. You can see the LED is glowing. Okay, but project is off. Okay, it is just displaying the power is on available. Okay, let's turn on the main system using the main switch. So you can see, okay, our output is high. Okay, and let's apply. We will adjust the error first. Okay, so this is, remember, error obviously this is the 0 point, this is the maximum point. Okay, so for currently this is for 0. Okay, let's note it and apply the voltage to the pin. So we are rotating it. Okay, so you can see, okay, when we apply the low voltage, okay, LED is high when we are increasing the signal voltage. So you can see, so you can see output is high. Okay, let's rotate it using this hand. So you can see the turning point is here, turning on point is here, and turning off point is, okay, low point is here. Okay, this is the low point, this is the high point. Okay, so you can see the gap between these two knobs. Okay, so let's increase the tolerance level, okay, to the higher, something higher. So increasing this error knob to this point, and let's check how again. So you can see we need to rotate the knob higher than the previous time. Okay, you can see this is the off position, this is the on position. Okay, so you can see the error adjusted to the higher level. Okay, you can see. Okay, so let's again move this knob to a little bit more. Okay, this is the full point. Okay, now see the position of the knob. Okay, we need to rotate it completely to turn on and off the LED. You can see, okay, LED's signal is high and signal is low. Okay, you can see the tolerance has increased too much. Let's decrease the tolerance level. Okay, and again we will rotate the knob. So you can see the tolerance band is now reduced. You can see. Okay, again let's reduce it to this level, and we will check. See, the tolerance level has increased, decreased so much. You can see just this is the level. Okay, it means our schematic trigger is working so fine. Okay, and this circuit is used in the system in the AC waveforms to adjust the tolerance band. Okay, thank you so much. So let's see the backside wiring of this project. Okay, you can see this is the back side of the project. Okay, this is the error adjustment knob, this is the voltage applying knob, this is the low signal, this is the high signal LED, this is the red light indicator on back side, this is the power input. Okay, and this is our main IC LM358. Okay, operational amplifier. Okay, if any student want to purchase this kit, so the student can contact us on the given number on the screen. Okay, and this project is suitable for diploma and BSc students as a mini project. Okay, thank you so much for watching.